Hi, I'm Bob with Tippmann Industrial Products, and I'm going to talk to you about the flatbed attachment today. It's an accessory for the Tippmann Boss sewing machine, and it's a 10-inch wide piece of stainless steel that mounts to the machine, and it helps to support materials that might be a little awkward to hold and sew at the same time. It also features a material guide that mounts to the top of the flatbed and allows you to sew a certain distance from the edge. It works really well on straight line sewing. Included with the flatbed attachment are the flatbed plate, the flat edge material guide with mounting bolt, 2 brackets, the bolt that holds the brackets together, 3 nuts. The tools required to put the flatbed together are a 7/16 open end box end wrench and the largest and smallest Allen wrenches that are included with your Tippmann tackle box. To assemble the flatbed, the first step is to attach the material guide. Place the material guide on the flatbed. You'll need the smallest Allen wrench in your kit and the small bolt that comes with the flatbed. The second step is on the bottom side. There are 2 studs welded to the bottom, and to these you attach the brackets. You're going to want to put the brackets on tall, not wide. Use the included nuts and start the nuts on the thread, but you don't want to tighten it all the way. You want some movement in there so that it's easier to install it on the boss. If the brackets are touching, then go ahead and bend the metal out so that it's easier to fit it on the boss. The next step is to place the flatbed on your boss. Line up the brackets, lift the presser foot, and slide the flatbed into position. There's a rectangular hole here at the top that lines up perfectly with your needle plate. Align the 2 brackets and use the remaining bolt to hold them together. Once you've gotten it hand tight, tighten down all 3 of the nuts. You'll need the largest Allen wrench and your 7/16 open end box end wrench. Before tightening the bolt all the way, you're going to want to check level of the flatbed. Some people prefer it tilted towards them. I prefer it level. Once you finish tightening the bolts, the flatbed is installed and ready to use. To sew with the flatbed, put your material guide into place, adjust the depth to your desired distance away from the edge, and begin sewing. While sewing, keep a little bit of pressure towards the material guide, and you'll get a consistent line away from the edge. And that's all there is to the flatbed.